this is it. This is going to be my last update video before I do the final reveal. I basically just have to do some sanding and staining now just to make it look a little prettier. It's not going to look like super amazing, but it's going to look better than this at least. So yeah, really just a plain straightforward front panel. But I did get a power button here that has a blue LED ring, and I even managed to get a USB port thing installed here. So I've got two 2.0s and two 3.0s. So yeah, top here, there's my top fans with the grills on them. So yep, getting that all put together. They're just kind of hanging there right now loose because like I said, I'm going to be staining soon, so I didn't bother reinstalling them all the way. And as you can see, my cables are just kind of hanging off the back right now. But yep, I even got a back panel. Oh, right. And I'm interjecting on that back panel just real quick. I didn't want to forget this. So as you can see, the front panel closes off the airflow to my Mega fans down here. But where the PSU usually goes, I have a nice wide open space here for air. And then as we come back here, we've got some nice little, if I had a little easier way to cut through the metal, I would have done it. But I could have made an extra hole like right here. But we've got some nice air slots here. And then on the wood side there, I cut a nice big open gap there so that we'll have plenty of intake air on the back side of the case. But then, when you come to the front side, you have just a nice covered panel there. All right, back to the rest of my video. And so if I come in here a little bit and kind of look in this crack, see right there I've got magnets. And so I've just got magnetic panels holding things in. So yeah, before I finish, these bottom fans will have dust filters all installed on it so that the intake is going to be filtered out of dust. And so I've got that all set up and ready to go once I'm done with staining that. We can take a look here. So got my spot there for my power supply. This is the old NZXT Phantom 820. I took the back panel off of it so I could use that to help, so that way I didn't have to try to do motherboard tray stuff and that. And then if I come down here, you'll see that I created a spot to mount a solid state drive. And I made holes on both sides so that no matter what drive I have, I'll always be able to keep the label right side up. Why does nobody do that? So yeah, and as you can see when I back away from this, there you go, guys. I have a acrylic panel in there with the wood frame. So I actually have it closed off. It's a sealed case basically with the exception of the fans. So I'm going to stain this baby, and then I'm going to put this case head to head with the Cooler Master H500P, and I'm going to do that with the front and top panels off of the Cooler Master case to get as much airflow as I can on that, and because I want this comparative test to be as good as possible. So hang in there, guys. Maybe within a week I will have my final showcase of this build. Looking forward to it. Catch you later.